This short video covers the basic requirements to file for divorce in Arkansas, how a divorce case starts, residency and timing rules, and 2 common legal grounds. This is a legal information video, not legal advice, and laws can change. If you need advice about your situation, talk with a lawyer. A divorce case starts when one spouse files a document called a complaint in court and asks for a divorce. The person who files is the plaintiff. The other spouse is the defendant. To file for divorce, at least one spouse must have lived in Arkansas for at least 60 days before the case is filed. There are also timing rules before the judge can grant the divorce. A divorce generally cannot be granted until at least 30 days after the complaint is filed, and until one spouse has lived in Arkansas for 3 months. Courts generally require proof of residency beyond what the spouses say, like a witness, documents, or a sworn statement, depending on the situation. Arkansas requires a legal ground, a legal reason for divorce. 2 common grounds are general indignities and living separate and apart for 18 months. In general, the legal ground must have occurred or existed within 5 years before the case is filed. General indignities usually means an ongoing pattern of mistreatment, like contempt, hostility, or repeated behavior that makes the marriage unable to continue. Courts typically expect specific examples, not just the label general indignities. This ground requires spouses to live separate and apart for 18 continuous months, without living together during that time. Proof often includes 2 separate addresses, supported by records like a lease or deed, utility bills, mail, or a driver's license address. Courts usually require proof beyond just what the spouses say. On this page, you can find forms, instructions, and resources for divorce in Arkansas, including information about service and common filing steps. Choose the topic that fits your situation.